Today, I'm going to do a combination. The main purpose is to do a video about fire management and how I get about 40 minutes per stick on my Workhorse Pitt, which is amazing. And I'm going to do it by cooking two turkey breasts that I got. I brine them overnight in this meat church brine bird bath. And then I'm going to open them up now and I'm going to season them with one of them with the meat church seasoned salt, the other one with garlic and herbs, and then top them off with 16 mesh. I'm going to do this video on fire management on the Workhorse Pitt. It's an amazing pit, and this is the way I started. It's, to me, it's the easiest way. I'm used to dealing with the big pizza oven, and so I've dealt with wood, but fire management in an offset smoker is a lot different. So first of all, I get 3 tumbleweeds, and what I do is I go ahead and I wrap them up in paper. So I wrap them up in paper spaced out like that, roughly. So I make a bowl of it. Then I put this bowl, I bought this amazing grate, and it really is really good because it keeps all the logs, it keeps everything in place. So I put the grate, then I get me some of this. These are the cutoffs that I have left over when I do the wood down to 12 inches versus the 16 inches that I normally get. So I'll put 4 of these in here like that. Then I get charcoal. And you can start your charcoal with a chimney. I do that a lot of times with my charcoal oven. But today, I'm just going to put the charcoal in there and load it up to get a really good coal bed. Some people don't like that. I like to use this lump charcoal, 100 mission hardwood, and it really is. It's good to get it started. So I'll spread the coals out here like this. You hear many people talk about and complain that on the Workhorse Pitt, what works better is the 12-inch splits, and normally splits come into 16 inches. So you can buy this tool. I saw it on Amazon and it's amazing. It'll cut it real simple, very safe. So what I do is I have a combination of 16-inch splits. This one's I'm going to cut down to 12-inch, and then according to how I'm managing the fire, I'll switch between 12 and 14. So to get all that charcoal started, I use the grill gun. This one is have a problem with the starter, so I'll just go ahead and use that to get it started. But once I get it in there started, it will start that charcoal pretty fast. Roughly 25 minutes, and as you can see, the coals are doing their job. It's beginning to grow a nice coal bed. The temperature right now on the smoker is 150 degrees, and you can see just clear smoke. Nothing is going on. So I'm going to get one of my big pieces of wood, and I'm going to put it right in the middle there, and then I'm going to close the lid and watch the temperature just go up. As the cooker, it's been another 7 minutes, and you can see my temperature on the top is rising. A lot of glare, but it's right at 250. The bottom is at 175. I got 2 pieces of splits on top of the oven, and they're really good. It got to temperature 225 in the bottom, and then 250 on the top. It's going to climb a little more, so but not to worry about it. So I put the skirt steaks on those grilling grates. They get hotter, and now I just close the lid and wait. It's been about roughly an hour and a half, and I put in 40 minutes into the cook. I put in one split, then I put in another split, and now since I want to get my cook up to 400, and you can see the thermometer is sticking to 300. So what I did is I put a large one at an angle, and I put a smaller one behind it. I keep the lid pretty much closed. I keep the damper at 3/4 open, and it's cooking like a machine. You know, in life, I'm a big advocate that if you take care of things, things will take care of you. So while the oven is heating up, and right now the temperature is, 350, which is not bad, I'm going to apply another coat of linseed oil. Even though it looks really good, I don't have to wait till it looks like garbage. It just took about 10 minutes, and I'm just a great advocate. You take care of things, things will take care of you. To me, this oven is a piece of art. So just, I'm waiting for the fire, managing the fire. So why not add a little more linseed oil and could continue to protect this for a lot. Well, it's been 2 hours and 31 minutes since we started this cook. I barely have put much wood. You can see that the oven is still going about 325. I raised it to 350 to get the last bit of the cook. I also monitor the internal temperature with a fireboard. I put a temperature probe, and then the other one is what I use for my meat. So I'm going to pull that meat now at 135, and it's a 2 turkey breast, and I'm going to wrap them in aluminum foil and butter. See what happens. So I'm going to do this turkey breast like Franklin. So basically I took them out at 135. It took about an hour and 45 minutes to get it up to 135. Now I'm just going to cover it with the butter. Lots of butter. That's for the other one. So we got butter everywhere. And then with the butter, I'm going to wrap it really well, tight. So this is the final result. I let it rest for about an hour, wrapped tight in the aluminum foil, and this is all the butter that came out of it. So as I am slicing them, I'm putting them back again in the butter and let it absorb all that butter. I might end up even putting it in the sous vide, wrapped up, covered in foil, and let it rest there longer. But the end result is amazing. Real tender and beautiful bark. Today we got those 2 little strip steak that we're gonna have for dinner today. They've been in the sous vide in the combi oven now for about 3 hours, 4 hours, wrapped in aluminum foil, and you can see just how tender. Beautiful color. Seasoning must be amazing. So we're gonna slice them over here. And here are the 2 strip steaks. They've been on the combi oven. The color is beautiful. I'm gonna put a little bit of gold on them. And we're going to slice them. See how they look inside. Beautiful color, super tender, and the ultimate test. Fabulous. Hope you enjoyed the video. And the good thing about offset cooking and smoking is there's no rule. Try what's best for you. Try what's best for the oven. If it works good, if not, adjust. Use the different seasons, and just enjoy the journey. Take care.